Hello friends, today I'll be sharing with you how I maintain and treat my human hair wigs to always look like new. So if you have an old human hair wig you want to revive to look new and presentable all the time, stick around and I'll share with you all the secrets. Remember, we are all about looking good without spending a lot of money or wasting money. Yeah. So this is my wig, and as you can see, it looks frizzy because I left it for some time without using and I want to revive the wig. So let's get into reviving the old wig. So what you normally want to do before washing your wig is to comb through that wig or to brush the wig to make sure there are no tangles, because if you're washing your hair without brushing and there are tangles, that is how you lose some of the hair. It leads to hair loss, and so you want to always comb the hair or brush through the hair to make sure it is all nice and smooth before you start your washing process. So this is what you want to do. First thing you want to do is to soak up the hair and have it wet. Yeah, so you want to soak up the hair and have it wet. Just follow the steps and you will love your hair after using my method. Yeah, so this is what I do. I normally soak the hair before adding my product, and I use just one product to wash my hair and avoid one product I'll be sharing with you, which leads to that frizziness. If your hair suddenly tends to be so frizzy, it is because you use a product I will be sharing with you today. So what I use, the only product I use to wash my human hair wigs with is my conditioner, regular Tresemme. This is the conditioner I use. I don't use shampoo on my hair. No shampoo, because shampoo dries off that beautiful moisture. Your hair tends to be frizzy and not looking moisturized and rich. So you want to avoid shampoo on your hair. That is just me. That is my, if you're fine with shampoo, that is okay. But when I wash my hair, I've been doing this for long, and my hair, I have hairs for 3 years looking like I just bought, because I always use just conditioner to wash my hair with, because it locks in that moisture to your hair and your hair always look like you just bought the hair. But if you use shampoo on your hair, it strips off the natural oils that were used to treat the hair with before selling it to you, and it doesn't look like new anymore. It looks so frizzy and not the texture. I don't know how to put it, but please, if you follow my advice, you want to wash your hair with just conditioner, and while you add in your conditioner to the wet hair, wet the hair first before you add the conditioner. So once you add your conditioner, you want to use your comb to just comb through and make sure the conditioner is all on the hair. As you can see, the texture already looks so rich and good. Yeah, this is a secret. Just use your conditioner and stay away from your shampoo, and you will see the secret. So you can leave it for an hour or overnight. If this is in the evening, you can leave it overnight, and next day in the morning or 1 hour after, you want to wash the hair. You want to rinse the conditioner from the hair. So don't avoid using boiled water. I see people boiling their hair. That is the worst thing you're doing to your hair. Boiling the hair, it shrinks the hair, and to me it is, I tried it one time and I lost my hair. So I don't boil hair, I just wash it with fresh water. If you want something, just go for lukewarm, that is fine, not boiled water. Yeah, so make sure you rinse, and yeah, so this is it, and you're good. As simple as this, and I'll share with you how to style, just simple styling without using heat. And yeah, so you want to stick around and watch till the end. So yeah, this is it. After washing the hair, you make sure you comb through, like always comb your hair. You need this white tooth comb or a brush, white toothbrush like this, to comb your hair always, because that is the secret to having it not tangled. So this is what I do. I always, after washing my hair, I add in a little bit of leave-in conditioner to condition the hair and leave it always look moisturized. Yeah, so I add it before I dry off the hair. So it leaves the hair so conditioned and you know. So this is what I do. Just a little bit, like a scoop of your leave-in conditioner, just add it, and yeah, and comb through the hair, and so just allow it. I don't use hand dryer or hair heat on the hair. I just let it air dry overnight. So I just wash, leave it air dry overnight, and the next morning it is all good for me to use. So I don't use anything like, so this is the next morning. As you can see, no heat. It looks so rich. The hair looks so moisturized, and look at the rich texture because I used conditioner, avoided shampoo, and I did not use heat on the hair. It looks so good, and the quality is so nice because of how I maintain this hair. And this hair is 3 years old. So this is it. You can use the hair this way, have it curly this way, depending on you. It still looks so good. And when I use it this way, I always look so young, but let's style it. So I add in some hair serum. Whichever you're using, that is fine. Just add in a little bit, like just 2 pumps of your hair serum, and so you can bring in some shine to your hair. Have it to have the hair glow. As you can see, yeah, so this is what you want to do. Once you add in your oil, your hair serum, yeah, not any greasy oil, like any good hair serum, just 2 pumps and you're good. So this is it, and voila. Style it however you want to, depending on you. If you want it bone straight, that is your preference, however you want to do. But yeah, just this is it. This is how I maintain my hairs, and they always look like I just bought the hair. And so this is it. My hair is all like new, and I love it, love it, love it. And I wanted to share with you. As you know, it's all about looking good but without having to spend a lot of money. Yeah, so these are the things you need. You need a brush, a white toothbrush like this for your hair. I love these bags as well to store up my wigs in. Plus, if you have a curly wig, you need a spray bottle to mix with your leave-in conditioner and maintain your curly hair with. That is how I maintain my curly hair. Leave-in conditioner and water, and my curly hair always looks so good. So if I wanted to use this hair curly, I just have to spray it with conditioner and water, and I enjoy it that way. Or bone straight, I just have to iron the hair, and depending on you. So these are the things I use to maintain my hair. Not a lot. I stay away from shampoo and a lot of heat, and my hair always looks so good. So I hope someone found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with your family and friends, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.